Today, we review the best portable air conditioner that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Whynter Elite ARC122DS. Super efficient, self-exhausting, and not too shabby in the looks department, it's everything a dual-hose portable air conditioner should be.
Number 2.
Frigidaire Cool Connect. Smart Assistant compatibility aside, the fact that you can control it from afar so that your pad is cool when you get home makes it a clear winner.
Number 3.
Whynter ARC14SH Portable Air Conditioner and Heater. This sleek, self-exhausting unit works to both cool and heat, allowing you to customize your microclimate all year.
Number 4.
BLACK+DECKER BPACTO8WT. For small spaces, you're not going to find anything this powerful at this great a price. We just hope you don't mind the white noise.
Number 5.
LG LP1417GSR. LG's unit is an unobtrusive workhorse designed to make your life easier if a little noisier.